Pick any random shampoo bottle and read the ingredients list. You're gonna get, I can't even pronounce half of these. What's this? T-deodocyclobenzamine sulfonate. Look, this is getting into your scalp. This is getting into your bloodstream. What's with all the plastic? Alrighty friends, I want to show you today how to make your very own homemade shampoo that's all natural and free from all chemicals. So you're going to need a Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap. You can find this any Whole Foods or any natural market. I think even some big box stores may carry it nowadays, but it's not that expensive, and this bottle will last me a very long time making the shampoo ingredient concoction. So just grab you a bottle and hang on to it. Then you'll need your favorite essential oil blends. I'm using today a lavender, lemon, and eucalyptus blend. It's kind of one of my faves. It smells really good, really refreshing, and really calming. So you'll also need water, equal parts of Castile soap and water. So I have my water here. And of course, your very own shampoo bottle. This is the shampoo bottle I've been recycling for close to 3 years now. It's the same bottle it's the very last bottle of shampoo I ever bought. And I just keep opening the cap and refilling it. So we will do that now. So again, it's super simple, guys. Just take your Pure Castile soap, and I'm just using a 1/4 cup for demonstration purposes, but you'll fill up your measurement of your choice. There's my 1/4 cup of Castile soap, my 1/4 cup of water, and a couple drops of essential oils. So I'm gonna put 3 eucalyptus, and then I'm gonna do 2 lemon, 2 lavender. You can put as many drops as you want. A blog that I read once said 10 to 11 drops total, but my bottle of shampoo is pretty small. So I have overpowered mine in the past. So just start small and then grow bigger from there. Finally, once you have all your ingredients in the bottle, just give it a nice gentle shake. And voila, you're ready to go. Enjoy!